Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Chloe and today I'm going to give you a quick tour around this Audi approved A3 Sportback Sport what we have in stock. It's a 1.5 petrol engine and is finished in the beautiful brilliant black colour. Starting at the front of the car, we have got the gorgeous LED headlights, making sure you have the visibility that you need on every single journey, alongside with the halogen lights in the rear. At the side of the vehicle, we've got the exterior door mirrors, which are electrically adjustable, heated, folding and automatically dimming on both sides with the built-in LED indicator just for your convenience. And we've got the stunning 17-inch alloy wheels, which do give off a really sport feeling to the car and really complement the black metallic paint on this A3 Sportback. And as it is an Audi approved used vehicle, you will receive a 1 year's warranty. This includes key cover, MOT cover and roadside assistance too. Let's go and have a quick look in the boot on this vehicle. As you can see, it massively benefits from an incredible size of the boot. It's very practical for yours and all your family's belongings. And we've even got a hook for your shopping so your shopping doesn't fall all over. And it is a manual boot opening. Moving inside the A3, it benefits from the super enjoyable and comfortable leather front sport seats. And as we turn around, we've got the 3-sport multifunctional flat bottom steering wheel, which is just the perfect combination with all the steering wheel controls of what you can think of, which makes every single journey super easy. We've got the gorgeous inlays, which are silk felt painted in platinum grey, which surround the fully touchscreen multimedia interface in the centre. Here is where it houses all your in-car entertainment and all your car settings. This includes DAB digital radio, media player, telephone interface to be able to ring people hands-free on the go without any distractions. Also with the sat-nav, which is very high resolution, so it's a lot easier to see the directions, and also the use of Apple CarPlay so be able to easily and safely connect up your mobile phone. Further down we have got the 2-zone climate control, which is really easy to use and very accessible to you and your passenger in the front. You'll be able to change the fan direction and also have both sides of the car on a different temperature. Moving onwards, we have got the Audi Drive Select. This enables you to put this car into whatever mode you would like, and you can also have different choices within the individual range. And we've got the automatic gearbox with the stop and start and the very comfortable and relaxable armrest in the centre for both passengers in the front. Moving on to the steering wheel now from the driver's perspective. We have got the virtual cockpit. Here is where you'll be able to easily change and get up any overview about the car, what you would like to know. Switch to the radio and change your radio channel super easily. Manage your connected devices and also get the directions up without any distractions and get to the place wherever you need to be. This A3 is done at 3,759 miles and comes with 2 sets of keys, which is really handy to have a spare. So if you are interested in this vehicle or require any more information at all, please don't hesitate to contact us on 01254 868 216. Thank you for watching.